we discuss use the explore tool to navigate the map in ArcGIS Pro. How to use navigate the map of ArcGIS Pro. So we discuss. First we add our data. We go to add data. We select here our position and select your file and OK. You open it. If you want to see your content, you go to view. If you want to view of content, so you go to view and after view go to content. You see here content is available here. If you want to navigate it, so you go to explore and you navigate it. Use arrow, move, zoom in, zoom out, and you also use previous extend and next extend, and you also use fix zoom and fix zoom out. You also see here. If you want to use navigate in explore to use this option. It is very important. Zoom in and zoom out for explore your data.